window and a handle. It also has a bell you can ring to warn the passerby. It's the favorite transport of children. It's a bicycle! It has 4 wheels and a steering wheel. It has a horn, and when you honk it, it sounds very loud. Normally, my dad drives it and I enjoy the views. It's a car! It's very big and has lots of seats. The driver is very kind and always says hello. And we all sing lots of songs when we travel. It's a bus! It's very, very long and has lots of wagons. Every wagon has many wheels and many windows. It doesn't go on a road, it goes on a track. It's a train! It sails on water. It has round windows and it has a captain. It's a boat! It has wings like a bird, but these wings have engines. It's very long and flies very high through the clouds. It's an airplane! It has lots of different colors and inflates with hot air. It goes up very slowly to the sky. It carries a basket in which people can travel. It's a balloon! It takes off really fast to reach space. It has many rocket boosters that spit tons of fire. It has a round window through which astronauts can look at the planets and the stars. It's a spaceship! To go around the world, you need to use many different transports. Because the world is so big, it takes many days to do so. You have to cross rivers, climb mountains, sail the seas, and fly the skies. The car is perfect to drive through the mountains. The road is very curvy. When you travel in your car, you drive through many villages and see lots of animals. Hello, Mrs. Cow. When the car runs out of gas, you can stop at a gas station for a refill before you continue your trip. The car can't continue on the water because it would sink. But it's okay, we'll jump on a boat. I love to sail on a boat. I love the sea. Through the boat's window, you can see loads of sea animals. There's fish, dolphins, and whales. If you see other boats, say hi to the sailors. Ahoy, sailor! Oh, look, a submarine. Submarines are like boats, but they go under the water. When there's a storm, there are huge waves and the boat rocks a lot. But it's okay, because the captain is a great sailor. Land ahoy! Now we need to use another transport to continue our trip on land. Let's ride on a train. At first, the train goes very slowly. Look, a farm. But then, the train starts to speed and everything flashes by. You don't climb mountains with a train. Instead, you go through them through a tunnel. When you exit the tunnel, everything turns beautiful. Oh, look, a rainbow. Now we're nearly at the end of our tour around the world. It's the longest part, but we'll take an airplane, which is the fastest transport of all. The airplane flies through the skies and through the windows you can see birds. Look, a stork. The airplane flies very high above the clouds. And from here, you can see the